Yesterday during our dive sesh, we met this pretty cool couple. They're here for like 5 days on vacation. They got a rental car and offered to take us to the tidal pools. So even though it's a little cloudy out, that's what we're gonna be doing today.
It's fine. It's a 2-mile hike there too, so. Good morning. Thanks for grabbing us, you guys. Thanks. Yeah. Look at my new hiking shoes.
Fancy.
I don't have to have my Nikes 5200 anymore.
Just started our hike to Annaly Tidal Pool. It's kind of different because you go up to the entrance of a hotel, Renaissance Hotel, and you pull in, park at the employee parking, and then you stay to the right, and then you have to find this little trailhead. So, yeah, a little convoluted, but we'll hopefully be on the right path. We're here with our friends Jamie and Jen. We just met them, great people. So this should be a fun day. What the heck is that thing? You know?
I don't know. They look like roots, but they look like little ew! They're like really soft and sticky.
Maybe you shouldn't touch it.
Probably shouldn't.
Like the Manchella apple. Love hiking next to the water because not only do you get the sounds of the forest, but you also get the waves just crashing.
I was like, oh, and there's an arrow. Which way to go? Either this way or that way. I love that you were like, oh, look, there's an arrow. Ooh. Did you smell them? They smell really, really good. Figures, since all these bees are on it.
What does it smell like?
Bee just landed on that one. Like a honeysuckle, maybe? I've never seen this before. Such a bigger appreciation for bees since we went to the beekeeper.
Yeah.
There's a bee right there. You're gonna get stung.
He doesn't mind. You're sharing the same
Sticking
flower.
your whole body in there. Oh, you've got a bug on your... Oh.
Is it a bee?
You've got a worm. Ew.
A worm?
Yeah, I don't know what it was. That's weird. Eek.
Man, I wish I could smell these.
You can't smell that?
Had cheese the other night. That's why I'm all stuffed up.
All right, we found the tide pools.
And it's busy.
And it's a little crowded, but we're gonna see what we can do.
Although we just saw this Jeep fly down here and we're very happy that we took the slow and steady trail with these guys because it seemed a lot more comfortable.
It was a very nice hike.
Treacherous.
like 5 minutes. But it was really nice. Everybody kind of left and we were all by ourselves, so that was kind of cool. Yeah. But back to the hike. And I'm hungry.
All right, we made it back to civilization. These guys were great tour guides.
Thanks, guys.
Yeah.
This morning, Allie and John, our friends that live here on St. Croix, are swinging by the nearest dock to scoop us up for a day of adventuring. But first, they asked if we wanted to grab brunch at a unique local spot here on the island. We really can't remember the last time that we had brunch, so of course we said yes. And from what they're telling us, it's not going to be somewhere we would ever expect. Just gotta stop and get some gas. Drop off some cans because they actually do recycling here.
So this is like the only place on island they recycle?
One of the few places.
Yeah. After COVID, they kind of shut down doing any sort of recycling, and then there's a young girl that's doing a program where she actually is collecting cans from here. I think she must be like 14 years old or something, which is pretty awesome. So
That's cool.
we have a lot of cans on island, and it's a good idea to not fill the landfill that's already a mess.
High five.
Oh yeah, and this is where we're having brunch.
So Ziggy's is like a legit gas station where you can pump up and get gourmet food. It's probably like one of the only places you could do that. It's definitely the only place you can do it in the USVIs.
So to order, we have to go over to the parking lot and go talk to Chef Aaron because they're doing parking lot cooking here.
This is awesome. When's the last time you've eaten gourmet food at a gas station? I've never been to a better smelling gas station ever.
Out of all these, which do you think is the biggest portion?
Can we get the crab ragoon and the roasted portobello Benedict? Oh yeah. Oh, you got it right. Oh man.
Right on your
Oh, looks so good.
I was told that this is the best thing on the menu, although John's looks really good. Oh. He doesn't even have words because it's all in his mouth.
How's that first bite?
Oh my gosh. I just want to pick it up and eat it like this.
Show it in the mouth.
That is so good. I haven't had a crab rangoon in a while.
So these guys are keto.
Definitely not keto.
Stuff like this.
Yeah. Ooh, and this is interesting though, like seafood or seaweed salad on top. Yum.
So I got the portobello Benedict. And Jody was saying that it tastes like steak. So
good.
Really excited.
So
for
good.
this.
It tastes like steak?
I don't mind.
So, like
don't mind.
a
I
very
don't mind.
tender steak.
I'm gonna taste it.
Oh, he's gone?
Oh, that was good.
Oh, yeah.
Is it better than your ragoon?
That's really good.
Yeah.
You guys were eating at a gas station. Where do you, what is happening? Perfect timing. Perfect way to eat it, right?
That is so creamy. Wow.
That sauce.
That is like the best ragoon I've had ever.
It's like the sweet and sour sauce.
You better watch out, I'm gonna eat all your food.
10 out of 10 for gas station food here in St. Croix at Ziggy's. What a view. Lunch was amazing. I'm very stuffed. So we have decided that we're going to go and take those paddleboards out, and we went to Allie's place and picked up some kayaks, and we're here picking up Mandy, and we're all going to go out to the reef and hopefully find some lobsters. We haven't had lobsters in a while, and we haven't free dove in forever. It's nice to take off the equipment and just get under there and not have all of the bubbles.
It doesn't even seem like we went that far.
We didn't go that far.
Lobster, but it was a good workout.
Good adventuring.
Yeah. It was a lot of fun just floating around down there. It was super shallow. Was not expecting that. There were spots where we were like, well, actually most of it were like dragging, almost hitting the rocks and stuff. There was a little entranceway that leads out to the ocean, and you could feel it just trying to suck you out. But there was a decent amount of life over there, a lot of coral, deeper, probably about 30 feet, and some good structure, but no lobster. That's what happens when you don't pay attention to when the dinghy dock closes.
Pretty bad timing since we have the boards and all of our stuff. It's gonna fit. God.
Come on, you hooligan.
Will I fit?
What's your shirt?
Oh yeah,
Is it?
it might get caught. Hope you don't like it.
It's my favorite new shirt.
Good night.
Bye.